Good morning, Andrew Waterhouse from Wonks. Today I'm going to talk about broad match strategy. In 2026, strategy for broad match has shifted from being a budget waster to a core performance driver. With the rollout of AI Max and smart bidding exploration, Google's machine learning now uses signals like user intent, landing page content, and previously searched history to make broad match significantly more precise. Performance overview and 2026 benchmarks recent data indicates that advertisers using the Power Pack, that's broad match plus match bidding plus responsive search ads, are seeing a performance shift towards discovery and volume. Reach advertisers typically see a 67% increase in qualified traffic volume compared to exact match only. Conversion discovery, roughly 23 to 34% of conversions now come from search terms that exact and phrase match would have missed. Cost efficiency, while broad match was historically seen as expensive due to waste, 2026 benchmarks show 28 to 34% lower cost per click than exact match because it taps into less competitive long tail auctions. Key performance drivers in 2026: Smart Bidding Exploration, a new feature that allows Google to temporarily load your ROAS and CPA targets to explore new search queries. This has led to a 19% increase in total conversions for campaigns that enable it. Negative keyword control. Despite the AI's power, performance still hinges on campaign level negative keywords and brand exclusion lists to prevent leaky spend or irrelevant or low intent traffic. Data quality, that's broad match performance, to now garbage in, garbage out. High performing accounts use enhanced conversions and first party data to tell the AI exactly what a good lead looks like. Where to use and where to avoid. Use broad match if you have a stable conversion volume, use smart bidding, and want to scale volume beyond your current keyword list. Avoid broad match if you have a tiny budget, no conversion tracking, or operate in a highly regulated niche where specific wording is legal or mandatory. Are you looking to scale an existing campaign, or are you starting a new account from scratch? Come and talk to us at Wonks. We're always here to help. Have a great day.